Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Chroma zoom effect on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit. And after this, you just click on the effect at the bottom and then click on the video effect. And then at the menu, you can swipe until you can see party. And then you can click on it and swipe down until you can see Chroma zoom effect. This is the Chroma zoom effect. You can click on it. And after this, you can click check icon in here. And after this, you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed and then for the size. And after this, you can click check icon in here. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add Chroma zoom effect on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.